Today's the day. Today is the day we finally unlock some Subaru Rumble. We are installing the Tome exhaust on my 2022 Subaru BRZ.
Yo, we found Mega Man, bro. Yo, this thing's...
Sounds a little rough. The Subaru WRX has been giving us some problems. We're gonna go to my buddy's Danny's shop, we're gonna check it out, but I hope it's nothing too serious. I don't want to put a lot of money into this car, unfortunately. This is like the winner beater. I'm hoping it's nothing too serious, but I guess we'll see. We're gonna make our way there right now, and we'll see how it goes. But Subaru's been giving us a few little problems. Like, it shows that the doors are open when the doors are not open, so that's a little annoying. It's definitely the sensors. The main driver door lock here on this side is kind of broken. That's why you always see me go to the passenger side and then unlock the car, because I think the old owner on this side broke the key in the door handle. But yeah, let's go see. Hopefully it's nothing too serious. I don't think I said this in the last video. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great New Year and a great holidays. I hope this year is a better year than last. It's all the best and success. But let's wish me the best right now with this WRX. Let's see what's going on. I'm gonna see if you guys can hear the clacking. You hear that? And if I go, yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's what it is. So that's the noise. I don't know what the hell it is, but it sounds like it's coming from the shifter area. As soon as I let go of the gas, you can hear it. I'm really hoping it's not my diff or anything super expensive. Because like I said, I got this car super cheap, and I wouldn't want to put too much money into it to fix it, just because the car is older, but I guess we'll see. So we got here, I'm just waiting for him to open up the doors. But hopefully you guys heard through the camera that, like, you guys can hear that clack, 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 clack. I'm really hoping that's not coming from the transmission or the diff. If it is, hopefully I can fix it cheap, because like I said, I don't want to put too much money into this car. If this car doesn't end up working out, maybe I'll just get, like, I was thinking about doing like a CRV build, where I just, nothing too crazy, maybe the first gen CRV lifted with some like mud tires or something like that. Just something a little different for the channel. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. The best daily driver will be down below. That's funny. I was talking about the CRV. Look, the first gen CRV there. That's what I was talking about. See that green guy there? Do the CRV build? I don't know. I've always had something. I've always liked them. I think they might be pretty cool. Do a little bit of like a 3-inch lift, a kind of a fat tire, and then, you know, some light bars and all that type of stuff. I know it's not like a powerful motor underneath there. It's just a B20, but I think it'd be pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'll get a closer look at that and see if homeboy wants to trade cars. Nah, I don't know. Alrighty, we got the car on the hoist. The rockers are so done on this car that we have to basically lift it from certain points. Let's see if we can figure out what the hell what's going on with this thing. Alright, so we got some bad news. The noise is coming from the transmission. It's probably the diff, as I suspected. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna put this car for sale or drive it until it just blows up and then buy something afterwards. The BRZ has winners on it, so if this blows up, I do have another car to drive. But damn, bad news for the wagon, boys. I wish it wasn't something that serious. God damn. I know buying the transmission's pretty cheap, but I can't work on this car at home, unfortunately. The car is too soft to put like jack stands on, so it has to be at a hoist at a shop, so my buddy can do it for a good deal for me. But god damn, I'm pretty upset. I think I'm done spending money on this car. Look who decided to say what's up. JJMS3.
If you guys don't remember, we reviewed JJ's car, and he has a YouTube channel himself. I'm gonna link him right here. Go check it out. He's got an insane Speed 3. It's probably one of my favorite cars that I've actually reviewed. This thing's absolutely sick, and he dailies this thing through winter and all. The thing sounds sick. I don't know how you daily this thing through snow. Yo. This thing is like, no, that's insane. I don't know how you daily this thing with this lip and everything on. It hasn't come off the lip? No. Damn, this thing's pretty low.
Yeah, it's pretty low.
Holy shit, still looks good though. It's a good looking, not winter beater, but daily, eh? You ever thinking about getting a daily though?
No.
No, just send it, right?
Yeah, just send it, man.
Good shit, dude.
Everyone asks me that.
You know why? Because it's so nice. You know what I mean?
It's nice. It's got heated seats. The heater works all the time. You know, it's comfortable.
And it starts all the time. You have no issues.
Yeah, exactly.
Check it out, guys. This thing's sick. Check it out.
Headlights on the way.
Oh, that's gonna
built right now.
Oh, that's gonna be exciting, dude.
Hopefully February they're on.
Shit.
Some complications right now, but
It's okay. We'll figure it out and go through there.
it's gonna be sick.
All right, bro. Let's go check out the BRZ. All right, guys. Cold start. This thing is pretty loud. The only thing with this car, it is quite small. There's really no room for nothing.
Bro, yo,
No,
who
not
the f is fitting back?
nobody. No.
I think this is less space than the old one.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. And I've told people this is not like a practical daily car.
I like the seats though.
Yeah, the seats hold you in pretty good. You might be able to even lean everything back just a bit more. But the car,
This is sick.
it's nice though. It's a good driver's car, and the car has
Yeah, definitely driver oriented.
yeah, the car has about only 400 kilometers, so we'll give it a few pulls, but nothing too crazy because it's
Yeah.
still breaking in.
And it's cold outside.
Yeah, we're gonna give him a drive in the BRZ, and luckily your viewers are gonna see the Tome exhaust first.
Yeah, I know, right?
So if you guys are following JJ, I know this is like right up in my face. If you guys are following JJ, you would see the Tome exhaust first. So he might have some sneak peeks of future projects and future stuff too. So go check him out. All right, dude. Thank you so much for coming hang out and checking out
Thank you for taking me for a drive.
for the BRZ.
Dude, this thing freaking pulls, man.
It's not bad for what it is. Like I said,
I did not expect it. Honestly, I did not expect to go like this fast.
because you've driven the old BRZ, right?
I have driven the old BRZ.
So.
And definitely not as fast as this, I will say that.
See, very cool to know. What I'm hoping to do is race a first gen BRZ to see how it goes, right? I think that'd be a cool little video. But like
For stock?
stock for stock, which is probably super hard to find these days, a stock BRZ. But if you look at my parking lot over there, we do have a BRZ guy over there. Maybe we'll make a video, bro. He's parked. Yeah, he actually lives in one of these houses here. If somehow you watch this video, dude, let's make a video. All right, dude. Thank you for coming by. Peace out. Later, man. All right, guys, we're gonna finish off the video here. This is a bit of a vlog. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it once. Do it right. Later.